Hello everyone, and welcome to Racext. Today, I would like to tell you about a motorcycle mechanic course that we have specially prepared for you. If you are a two-wheeler enthusiast and want to learn more about your motorcycle, you've come to the right place. In this course, we will cover a wide range of topics related to motorcycle maintenance and repair to help you better understand your vehicle and save time and money in the workshop. In this course, we will cover various topics, such as the heart of your motorcycle, the engine. You will learn how it works, what the main components are, and how to perform basic maintenance to keep it in the best condition. Additionally, we will also address common issues that can occur in the engine. We will teach you how to perform daily maintenance, which is essential to keep your motorcycle safe and efficient. We will provide you with a comprehensive checklist for daily maintenance, including checks for oil levels, tire pressure, lights, brakes, and more. We will also discuss your motorcycle's fuel system, which is crucial for optimal performance. In the course, you will learn how to clean the carburetor, replace the air filter, and properly handle the fuel injection and carburetor system. A proper lubrication system is essential to prevent wear and ensure the engine's long life. We will show you how to change the oil and oil filter correctly to ensure smooth operation of your motorcycle. We will also address the front of your motorcycle, which is crucial for safety and handling. In the course, we will cover the inspection and maintenance of the wheels, steering, suspension, and handlebars to ensure a safe and comfortable ride. The rear wheel and the braking system are also of great importance. We will show you how to check and maintain the rear wheel, as well as how to replace brake pads and properly bleed the brake system. If you need to perform a major repair or replace the engine, we will guide you through the necessary steps to professionally and safely remove, install, and repair the engine. Additionally, we will focus on the transmission and clutch, which are crucial for controlling your motorcycle. We will show you how to perform maintenance, replacement, and adjustment of the transmission and clutch for a smooth ride. This motorcycle mechanic course has been designed to provide you with all the necessary knowledge and skills to independently care for your motorcycle. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find valuable information to enhance your riding experience and save money at the workshop. We look forward to sharing everything we have learned over the years. Don't forget to subscribe to the Racext channel to not miss any episodes of the motorcycle mechanic course. Thank you for following us, and we'll see you on the road.